Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Once you begin your business, you need to decide which bookkeeping method to use, cash or accrual. This will determine the method used to report income and expenses on your tax forms. Please check with your accountant, tax advisor, or the IRS before choosing a bookkeeping method for tax purposes. It is important to note that when you create reports in QuickBooks, you can switch between the cash and accrual method at any time to see how it impacts report results, regardless of which bookkeeping method you have actually chosen for tax purposes. Also, regardless of how you decide to set up your reports, you always record the business transactions the same way in QuickBooks. The cash accounting method is used if you record your income when you actually receive the money and record expenses when you pay the bills. In accrual accounting, you record income at the time of sale, not when you actually receive payment. In the same way, you also record payments when you receive the bill or incur the expense, not whenever you actually pay it.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.